guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with a haul, and no, this is not part of my weekly haul, well, kind of sort of, but this video deserved a special video by itself because this is my first time shopping and trying anything from this particular brand. Yes, Temu, I think it's how you pronounce it. Temu, yes. It's another I want to say Korean type of website, kind of like Shein. To me, when I looked on the website, it looks like a mixture of Shein and Amazon mixed together for even cheaper than the Lolo. Okay, so I'm excited. I did not open this. I want to do like a full-on first impression on this first time buying anything from this brand. So let's get started. They package is very interesting. Yikes. My name and address already got ripped off. I'm surprised they knew where to deliver it at. I need to find some scissors because I ain't trying to break no nails. So, alright, I got some scissors. And I have put in 2 different separate orders with them because when y'all look on this website, like, I'm laughing because my mind was like everywhere. They have everything you can possibly think of on here, and I just didn't know where to go to, you know, make my first order with them. I was like, I don't know what to try out. Like, I wanted to try a little bit of everything from this brand just to see like the quality and everything in itself. So okay, so this is the very first thing I picked up. Okay, so I have ordered a couple of shirts from them. I wanted to see how the quality of the clothing is going to be for the website. So I picked up a couple of shirts. I got a pair of sandals I picked up. And then what else did I pick up? I don't know what's in this box. I got a makeup item. And then the most thing that I was excited to try out, that is the doobity doop. Yes. Y'all see this? The tote bag. I'm going to see how the quality in the doopish is going to look. So no, I ain't got the real deal, Holyfield, to do a comparison. But who's checking? Okay. Who's checking to see? This bag is super duper big. I thought it was going to be small. Oh my God. I love the smell of new material. The details of this looks really good. Not bad at all. Let me see. Y'all see this? This is really cute. I'm really surprised on this. Okay, let me test her out. Let me see. Hey, how you doing? This is a nice little tote bag right here. Okay, I like this a lot. She's really big. I'm not really used to grabbing, using a big purse like this, but it's definitely a freaking cute bag. And I definitely feel like she's a really good dupe for it too. So I'm excited. Yes, I will go out with the doopty doop doop out in these streets. Okay, let's see what else I got. So I picked up a pair of sandals. Like I told you, I ordered a little bit of everything because I wanted to see how the quality and stuff is going to be. Okay, so the sandals that I picked up, this is what they look like. They looked a lot more cuter on the website, but in person, they don't look like they were that good of a quality put together. I don't know. Let me see how they look on my feet. Okay, so up close they look a little, you know, some little suspicious, but on the feet they look actually really cute, and they're very comfortable. Honestly, I feel like these shoes are a lot more comfortable and a better quality than the Shein shoes, because I feel like Shein, they shoes be a little bit too narrow, and I'm just like, whoo, narrow feet is fitting the nose. The style of them be cute, but they be so super like narrow, so not bad. Okay, I think these were only like, I don't remember how much everything was, so I'll make sure I insert the prices of everything because I don't remember. I believe I had a coupon for my first time purchase using buying anything from this brand. Oh, look here. Look, the shoes can fit right in this purse. Beach day. All right, and then I picked up 2 shirts. I really am excited for these shirts. I like to, on my non-makeup glam day, I do like to be on a chill day type of girl with a nice little t-shirt and especially some good old bike shorts because right now it's hot. So I wanted to pick up a couple of t-shirts. Y'all know me, I'm a mom, okay? Got 4 kids and I be dropping my kids off in the morning, so I be needing something quickly to put on to drop them off and do my errands for the day while they're out at school, and then pick them up. So I be needing something comfortable. I don't be out, I don't pick them up like this. I pick them up in mom mode, okay? Hair tied up, sometimes with a bonnet and some t-shirt and some biker shorts. So I picked up these shirts and I like the message of them. You see this? Yes, I am here for this. I'll have to, I want to try this on right now. It says prayer changes things, and ain't that the truth right there? I'm going to actually put this on over my dress right now. The quality of this feels like a really good cotton t-shirt. Like seriously, this is a good quality. Oh, I'm messing up my hair and everything for this. Stand up so I can see. And I got this in a size, I think a 3XL. I got her. I wanted to be really baggy, and plus I know from certain websites they run a little bit small on the shirts. So did I get this in the 2XL or? Let's see. I like this. Okay, this is really cute and comfortable. I like this. I'm gonna leave her on because I don't feel like taking it on and off. But I like this. This is definitely cute. I'm excited. Okay, I definitely feel like I will be ordering a lot more shirts in them because they had a lot of cute like on the go stylish shirts. So I'm excited for it. And I just really like the message in this shirt. So yay for that. And then I got another one kind of similar to it. Y'all can see I like me some black shirts. It gives you the illusion that you're slim. So this one, it says, doing my best and giving God the rest. Ain't that a message to live by right there, y'all? So I love how they have some beautiful message in their t-shirts. Okay, so I would definitely be ordering a lot more t-shirts for them because this is a really good quality cotton t-shirt. Okay, so I see what size I got. I got 2XL, so I definitely will up the size on these because I want them to be like really, really baggy on me. So I will get a 3XL for me, but they feel very comfortable. So besides them feeling a little tight on the belly, they're very comfortable. All right, so now the last items are going to be makeup items. All right, so the makeup item that I got, y'all can tell right off the bat what this is a dupe of. And I feel like this brand definitely catered to dupes. So if it's looking, or if you're looking for a particular like clothing item or even like makeup items, I feel like they're definitely duping it up on this website. And I ain't got no shame in duping things. If it can look the same and for a cheaper price, why not? I'm not the type of girl that has to be brand stamped, meaning like I have to wear a top-notch branding when it comes to my clothing. No, if it looks cute and if I wanted to look like the imitation of the real thing for the low price, why not? So yes. So this one is the new Stunning palette. Y'all can pretty much guess what this is a dupe of. I'm gonna insert the picture so you guys can see. Yes, she is definitely duping the Huda palette. Okay, look at that. This is a nice little nude palette. Now, it can look like the palette. My question is it going to do what it's supposed to do? How is the quality going to give off? So let me do some quick finger swatches and see. Ooh. What? Y'all, look at this. I am very impressed. Oh yeah, y'all can continue duping if y'all gonna be doing it like this. Let me see how it looks. Look at that. Oh, I didn't have nothing on that finger. I was like, wait, why is it not there? So that is the red. And then these metallic shades. Look at that. That looks really, really nice. Oh yes. I'm excited. I'm here for it. Okay, I cannot wait to try this out. Oh my gosh, yes. They did a really good job. Like, I don't even care if it's not, even if it wasn't a dupe, I feel like the color story and the quality is definitely here. I like this palette. So y'all will be seeing a look using her. Okay, what is the last thing I got, y'all? Oh, I forgot. Okay, this is gonna be perfect. Y'all know I have a lot of makeup brushes. I'm kind of like overly to the max, and I got tired of these kind of cups right here. I mean, they're cute and everything, and they got my, you know, my username for Instagram, but my thing is they are cramped. Like I can't get anything else in these brush things, and I feel like I have a lot of mix match cups and stuff, so I kind of wanted to have one little style on my desk, and I wanted to kind of organize them by the style of the brush. Meaning, you see how this thing has a 3-part little holder thing. So how I have the idea on using her to fully get the correct benefit out of it, because I feel like it'll be a lot more easier for me, especially when I'm doing my tutorials on where to grab my brushes. I'm gonna have like my eyeshadow blending brushes in here, and then maybe in the middle I'll have like all of my face brushes in this one, okay? And then in this corner one I will have my actual eyeshadow brush, not the blending ones, but the regular eyeshadow brushes, which looks like something like this in this shape. So this is where I plan on having my stuff kind of organized in here. I'm probably gonna get a couple like little beads to put in the bottom, so that way they would be easily inserted in here at the bottom. But yeah, that's how I plan on beneficialing this little trio thing. This is a nice little set. Okay, so I feel like I definitely am going to take full advantage of this website. I see a full-on beauty room makeover from this website. Now that I have experienced and seen some of the quality of their stuff so far, I'm very pleased with the quality. So I think I'm going to be using this website to kind of like do some home decor with my home, and y'all know that I'm trying to do that, just fix up my home just a little bit and give it more of that home feel without spending so much money into this house, because it ain't my house. But I just want to, you know, organize and design. And doing organization and designing, y'all know it can cost some that can cost some coins. So finding some things that's inexpensive and still have that good quality feel and look, I am definitely excited for this website. If you guys want to check out Temu, I will definitely have that link down at the bottom, and I will try my best to have the links of the products that I did show. One thing I will say definitely that I don't really like about the website, but I guess it's good business for them. A lot of the things sell out very quickly. I have a lot of things inside my cart, and I felt like as I was browsing through the website, like everything kept getting a notification alert that it was sold out. I was like, how? I just put it in my cart. It's like, how is this sold out? So I don't know if they just have a limited of quantity when it comes to the items on the website, or people are just really taking full advantage of this website because it's something new and it's exciting, and people are just going and just buying these things like really quickly. So if you see something in your cart, or if you see something that you want, I will say immediately order her as soon as possible, because if you plan on like saving her for the next week or whatever for purchase, she ain't gonna be there. But I will give them a good thing about this. They do restock on some things quickly as well. So it's kind of like a bittersweet kind of thing when it comes to searching this website and putting things inside the cart. So it just depends on what you're looking for, and it will actually tell you when you put things inside the cart, hey, 20 people have this item in the cart and we got 5 items left. Do the math. The first 5 is going to go ahead and grab this, so quickly decide if you want to get it or not. And if you're someone like me who shops quite a lot on the website, some good benefits about this: they take Afterpay, y'all. Afterpay and other Afterpay salad payments apps and stuff. So go ahead and check out the website. I will have some type of like promotion referral link for you guys to check out down the bottom. I believe if you use my link and sign up, I think you get an extra like 20% off, 30% off coupon, something like that. But I will have the correct information down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And if you guys want to help your girl out, use my referral link, whatever, definitely go ahead. I would really appreciate that, so that way I can come back and bring you guys more hauls to show you guys what they have available on this website. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, for tuning in, and of course, prayer changes everything. That's my message for the day. I love this shirt. Prayer changes everything. Ain't that the truth, honey? Ain't that the truth? But y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.